so that you give me one mouth now.
Give you what mouth?
Just
my mother and my sister will soon be back from farm.
Hi.
I can't go inside.
Hi. They are them. No. Okay, see. Let's go to the central school. Primary 1 class, their desk is so flat, it looks like a bed. You will like it.
I will like it.
Yeah, let's go.
We'll go, but first, go home and go and take your bets. You're smelling of alcohol and weed.
Ha! That's a why now? Why?
What is why? I've told you to stop smoking and drinking, but no, you won't. Now, tell me, how am I supposed to kiss you? Just go home and go and shower and come back.
So you're shouting at me now because
I'm not shouting.
I forgot to buy tom-tom, eh? Is it because I forgot to
Which
buy
nonsense tom-tom? Amobi, I've told you to stop smoking and drinking. It's not a matter of tom-tom. Stop it.
No problem, but at least I can touch and...
Leave me.
See, is it not your battery?
Leave me.
Let me touch the battery.
You, what are you doing in our house? Eh? What are you doing in our house?
Chikodi, what is it? Just go inside.
For what? Oga, what are you doing in our house? What are you doing in this compound? Chief!
Chikodi, calm down now.
Did you just call me a thief? No, Pomonyori. Am I a thief?
Yes! You're a thief! A friend to a thief is a thief! Iponyori, our mother has warned you not to step your foot in this compound again. So what are you doing here? Eh?
See, I don't like what your sister is doing. I mean, why would she be calling me a thief now? Have I stolen from you?
Amobi, calm down now, please.
Hey! What is calm down? Get inside.
Amobi, see.
Get inside!
Go, I will see you later. Sister, it's okay.
But no. Get inside the house!
You'll be coming now.
Can you imagine? I don't blame you. Okuka Greek. Look at her now.
I get one now.
Will you shut up? Respect yourself. I don't want to see your filthy feet in this compound again. Did you hear me? Yes. Well, don't worry. My mother will soon arrive. Once she come back, you will hear from us. From us. Don't worry.
Yeah? Let me tell you, I know your type. If not that you're beautiful now, Titolia here now. Oyembu. I know your type now. You like me and you know that I like you too. That's why you don't want to come straight. You are coming through Appian way. See, you still stand the chance to own me now. Do you understand?
Hey!
I'm not playing pempe now.
Hey! Wonder shall never end. Check out later we go away now. They go down your a thief. Why would I like a thief? Am I stupid? Stop deceiving yourself. And you've heard me. I don't want to see you in our compound anymore. If you step your filthy feet in this compound again, I will cut off your head. Onyori, rubbish. You know they fear.
You're calling me a criminal, Abi?
That's what you are. A thief, criminal, armed robber.
If you're here, I'm going to see your bra now. Hold on.
Good day, ma.
So you don't have any work to do now. You become so lazy that all you do is to take these children to school and probably wait there until they close. You bring them back. Where's your?
My wife went to the market, so I decided to go and bring my children back from school. But I don't see how it concerns you.
Will you shut your mouth? Nkaku talking to me. So you have the money to enroll these children in school, yet you send your stupid wife, Una. She came to the house begging my husband to give her money. Can you see how wicked and selfish you two can be? You have the money, yet you choose to come and beg. Papa na yo na mama na yo. Let me see your Sarah. You went all.
Woman.
Man.
I never asked my wife to come to you for anything. I never asked her to collect any money from you.
You think you're deceiving me. You went and enrolled them in a private school. Are there no public school, government school where you can put your children? That is cheap? You never spend money you do not have. You chose to put them in a private school. You choose to spend money you do not have. Put them in cheap schools. And I could hit the 500. Stupid. In what sense? In where they go?
Madam, if you don't have anything meaningful to say, let me just go home with my children, please.
I'm gonna sleep hungry. Anyway, I don't blame you. I don't blame you. Somewhere on. I don't blame you at all. But tell your wife in her interest that I don't ever want her close to my husband again, begging for alms. She is not blind. She's not lame. She can work and get money. People should keep living your big and rich life. When you are ready to suffer, come, I will help you. Keep spending money you do not have. Stupid. Do you have anything doing? Are you really thinking where you are now? Get away! I hope these children don't turn out to be like you. Don't be like your parents. You know, yeah? Did you hear what I said? You're a good girl. Rubbish. Go away! Just to feed your children, you cannot. When you want to enroll them, you went and enrolled them in a private school so they come and collect the money.
Let's go. Children, let's go. Just don't worry. Okay? Let's take it off. Let's go.
Leave me now, leave me. What is it? Leave me now. Leave me. Hey, leave me now. Leave me. Somebody help me, leave me. Help. Hey, do not catch me, leave me. Hey, come on.
Please now, sister, because it's me, you are my only sister. Please don't tell mama, because please. I beg you, because don't tell mama, please.
Lutana, you're very funny. Yakwima, so how do you expect me not to tell Mama that you've started seeing that good-for-nothing boy again? So that we'll understand very well.
Sister, see, please, you just have to understand that Amobi is the only guy I love in this village.
Will you?
I swear.
Hi! It's love. Hi!
This girl.
I thought you have sense. It's a name, Uche. My sister loving a thief. An armed robber.
Sister, see, I swear, if you don't tell Mama this thing, I'll wash all your clothes, I'll do the whole house. In fact, from today, I'll be the one going to the farm. Please, be good.
I will tell her. Don't stress yourself. I must tell Mama. I must tell Mama.
Don't tell me what. And what is it you are pleading with her not to tell me?
Mama, nothing. Nothing.
It's nothing. You better confess. Confess it. Mama, tell her to
Mama,
tell
it's
me.
nothing.
Nothing? Okay, you don't want to confess. Mama, do you know that this girl has started seeing that good-for-nothing Amobi again?
What?
Julian, ask her. She's here. Am I lying?
Lotanna, the reason you left the farm earlier was not about headache again. Eh? So you returned to go and see him. Eh, Lotanna?
Mama, it's not just seeing. I caught them red-handed. They were busy touching each other. They were... Hi God, if you see what I saw, Mama. Eh? If you end that, man.
Mama, it's not true. Mama, it's not true.
Mama, kill her! Where is she on?
Come back here! Hey! Yeah. Hey!
Hey, my husband.
My love.
You can't believe what happened on my way coming to meet you now.
Biko, tell me. What happened?
In fact, I saw Oledo on my way.
You don't mean it.
I'm telling you. When somebody called me, I turned my back. I said, I don't want trouble. I was just going my way. She followed me. She knelt down in front of me. She started begging me.
Yeah.
She was begging me, telling me that she's sorry.
Sure.
That everything that happened is not her father's fault. I told you. I told you. She said her mother is the cause of everything that happened.
That woman.
She was begging me, begging me, begging me. But you know, I told you that a patient dog is the fattest bone. That it's better for us to wait and see. My brother is a good man. I've always known him. Sure. My brother has been helping me all this while. What happened? Hey, you know what she now told me? She said she's coming to the house this evening and that she's taking us to the city. Finally.
Hey! Are you serious?
I am telling you that she's going to give us the best life. That good life that we really, really deserved.
Oh, Chukwekene. Chukwekene. Thank you, God. You mean she's relocating us from this village to the city?
That is what she said. She said we're going to pack our thing, that she's coming to the house this evening. She's coming. Please, if I did not believe it.
Hey! I'm so happy. But what are we going to offer her when she comes to our house?
Hey, you're right, though. What do we do? Hey, that tuber of yam that I gave you this morning, the other portion, maybe I should boil it, eh?
Okay.
She'll eat it.
Okay, still remaining.
It's still remaining now.
Okay, and we still have oil and salt at home.
Yes. She will use oil and eat it.
Let's go immediately. Now you start cooking it.
Let's go.
Let's go. Now you start.
Hey, what kind of wickedness is this?
My phone.
Don't worry, let me get my phone. I must fish out whoever that did this to you.
Hey,
let me get my phone.
my ribs, oh, my ribs.
Hi.
You. You think I don't know you have a hand in this thing, Abby? Let me tell you something. Tell those your friends, they should get ready for me. I am coming. I will sting them. I must revenge. You are going, no? Look at you. Keep. Hey.
You made a mistake.
How do you mean?
You would have dealt with him permanently.
Akuna, how?
I am talking about killing him.
Hey, killing him would have been taking things too far. I didn't want to kill him. I just wanted to scare him away from my daughter. That is my intention.
You wanted to scare him away from your daughter. Has he left your daughter now?
No. And that's the problem. That's what is paining me. I even heard she paid for his hospital bills. Can you imagine?
Evelyn, it's high time you started doing things the right way. Unless, of course, you've made peace with him marrying your daughter.
Never. Never.
Okay.
That will not happen. My daughter marry a broom seller on a bicycle? No. But killing him right now will be very difficult. It will be very difficult. Difficult. What do I do? What do I do?
My love, I want you to know that no matter what happens, I'll never be discouraged towards becoming your wife. I will stick with you forever.
Olam, this means so much to me. Thank you so much for loving me. I was going to ask you, how are your parents? How are they taking it? I'm sure they are very upset with me.
Upset?
Huh?
Nobody is upset with you. Or except probably my mother. But I don't care. All I care about is you, my love. You are my world.
See, God in heaven knows that I have good intentions for you. And I'll never disappoint you.
I know.
Let's go.
You're still crying.
Don't touch me. Isn't that what you want? Huh? I don't blame you. You've always been a sadist right from our childhood.
Yes. That's too harsh to say to me.
Really?
Yes.
Tell me. Why would you even tell Mama about Amobi's visits? Tell me, why? You called yourself my sister. How could you tell Mama that Amobi came visiting? Why? After all my pleading.
Because I need to let her know you're going astray.
Going astray?
Yes.
Do I look like a baby? You know what? I love him, and that's what matters most. You nor Mama cannot decide whom I'm supposed to love. Do you get it? You cannot! This is my life!
Lotanna, Amobi is not whom you think he is. He is not!
He is not.
But you won't understand.
He is not. You know, Amobi has promised to marry me.
Eh?
And I'll marry him!
My dead body!
Hey.
Are you okay? Are you mad? Wait for the Magnus. Eh, Lotanna?
Mama, I want to know. What is it that you have against Amobi? I want to know. Tell me.
A lot. If I should answer that question, a lot! Amobi drinks. He smokes. He associates with all manner of bad boys.
Oh, yeah.
Is that not enough?
Is that all? He will change.
He will not change.
Amobi will change.
I said he will not change.
All. That is not all. Do you know who Amobi's mother is?
Tell her.
That woman is the most wicked person I ever seen in my life. Okay. And for that, you will never marry her son.
Simple.
Get that into your deep skull.
Mama, I don't care. Mama, I don't care. He will change. He will change. Nobody was born a saint. He will change.
He will
change. You will not marry her.
Can you come back here? Come back here. Mama, look at your daughter.
That woman, she is the most wicked person I've ever seen.
I know now, Mama, I know.
And I will not allow this to happen.
It can never happen. Not in this house, so. It will never happen. Against must come back. You must come back to the house now. No, Mama, please. I need to go inside and rest.
How disappointing.
What is it?
You thought it's going to be business as usual, breaking into my room to steal my things.
I guess Shady told you.
He doesn't have to tell me anything for me to know that you are a common thief.
Adanne, don't insult me. I'm your elder brother.
Same reason I have not locked you up for stealing and conniving with your stupid friends to beat up your younger brother. Amobi, when did you become this evil?
I beg. Which evil? Who is evil? Eh? Don't insult me, oh. I mean, I was only looking for comb to comb my beds and look good. Why will you be even accusing me?
Listen, let this be the last time I'll get you anywhere close to my room or any of my things. Get out.
Don't worry. Going under the sun. I mean, anything you want, just tell me. I'll provide it now.
You'll provide it?
Yes.
Amobi, is it not high time you come and seek my hand in marriage?
Why are you rushing things now? Isn't it so soon?
So soon?
Yes.
My mother is mounting pressure on me to leave you. And I don't want to leave you. I want you to prove to her that you love me.
No.
Please.
You're not going anywhere. You see the way my hand is tied around your waist? That is how I'm holding your life, oh. Nobody can come between us. See, babe, in as much as I want to do this, I want to marry you, I want to spend the rest of my life with you. You still remember that your mother doesn't like me.
Does it matter?
It's obvious she doesn't like me.
Does it matter? Is she going to live my life for me? Are you going to marry my mother? Is it not me? I don't know what you're doing now.
But you know mothers and how they can influence things. She might not even welcome me in your house when I come. And you...
Amobi, what are you saying? You just have to make a move before it's too late. Come and carry all these things. All these things. Wholesale. I'm tired of going to a completed building. I'm tired. Carry me to your house. That's what I want.
Babe, I mean, which man in his right senses will see all these things you're carrying and look away? Who? Nobody. I love you and I want to marry you.
Then prove it.
Calm
prove
down
it.
now. Calm down.
Amobi, prove it. Time is ticking. Another person will just come and break your hand and carry me. Amobi,
don't,
another person will carry all these things.
Baby, come here. Stop saying these things you're saying. You are making my mind skip. Oh.
You don't love me. If you love me, you will come.
It's okay now. Stop.
Where's your sister?
Mama, she's not yet back.
Huh?
She's the one I'm waiting for. She's not yet back.
Ha! So, Rotanna has grown big enough to leave this house without telling anybody, any of us. Okay?
Mama, I'm as surprised as you are. I don't understand this. Seriously.
It's obvious that useless boy is the reason she's not yet back. No problem. It's a bad draw. Rotanna. See, tell whoever that knows Rotanna. Only Rotanna should tell her that she should remain where she is. So, she should not come back to this house. So, I don't want to see her leg in this house. How can...
No, but Mama, bro, she will come back.
What are you saying? Look at the day, getting dark, and she's still where she is.
Hey, but Mama...
Don't bot me. Don't bot me. So bad, she will come and meet me in this house. So, Lotanna, you've grown enough to go out whenever you want and come back whenever you want. Okay?
No, Mama. Mama was here last night. I knocked, but nobody opened the door for me.
You were where?
Mama was here last night. I knocked, but nobody opened.
Mama, it's true. I heard a knock now. I wanted to come and open the door for her, but you refused.
Close your mouth. Are you doing? I'm asking. Did I ask you any question here? Lotanna, it's okay. There's no problem. It is clearly shown now that you are matured enough to live on your own. So, Wadro, go back to wherever you are coming from. Go back. Wherever you are coming from, now back.
Mama, please, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to stay out late. I'm sorry, Mama.
Lotanna,
Mama,
go back where you are coming from.
Mama, I said I'm sorry now.
Oh!
No, Mama. Mama, I am not listening to that. I won't listen to that, Mama.
Lotanna is no good for you. She's not good for you.
Lotanna is not good for me. Are you good for Papa? Are you good for Papa? You people are fighting every day.
What did you just say? If you talk to me like that again, I'll whack your face. I'll slap you. Are you mad? What is wrong with you? Am I your mate? Huh? Try me again if I don't kick you. Idiot.
But Mama, I've been supporting you in everything you've been doing in this house. I've been supporting you without questioning anything. I've been supporting you, and only one thing I'm begging you now to do for me. You're telling me Lotanna is not good for me.
Didn't I support you? Am I the one that said she's not good? The mother said she is not good. I've been telling you that. You don't want to listen. Her mother does not want you, let alone for you, her daughter. No! She doesn't want that.
Mama, you should help me and do it now. Make her want me, make her like me, eh? I've not done anything to that woman now. Go and make her like me. I want me. I want Lotanna.
It doesn't work like that. My son, it doesn't work like that. When a woman does not want you for her daughter, even if you like put a knife on her throat, she will not agree. I am supporting you. I am happy you have finally decided to settle down with a wife. But there are other beautiful girls, chummy girls that want to settle with, in fact, crave and beg you to settle down with them. Those are the kind of women you should go for. In fact, it is even good for a woman to love the husband more than you love your wife.
Mama, you're trying to confuse me. I know your plan. You're trying to confuse me. I will not accept it. I will not accept it. It's Lotanna that I want. It's Lotanna. Okay, Mama, see. Do you remember how long I've known Lotanna? Do you know, we've actually started like kids, and now you want me to go and follow another woman?
That kind of love does not work. Child love. It's better to fall in love with when your eyes are open, when you have sense in your head. What is that? I'm trying to bring you up. You're brought yourself down.
Mama, you cannot confuse me. You cannot confuse me. It's Lotanna that I love. It's Lotanna that I want. I will marry that girl.
I want you. It's my fault.
It's that girl that I will marry. Leave me.
You're not blaming me. Why didn't you behave well so that the mother will love you and accept you for her daughter?
Mama, see, it's Lotanna that I will marry, or Lotanna or nothing. It's Lotanna or nothing.
Just behaving like a spoiled brat. Where does kid love work now? Child love. That kind of love does not work. Trying to open your eyes, you're closing it. Right now.
Mama, see, I'm not in support of that though. Why will you drive her away like that now?
You see that useless sister of yours? She is not welcomed in this house. At all. In fact, let her come and pack her things.
Mama, why? Why will you say that? See, Mama, though I'm not in support of her choice of a man, but that doesn't mean we will chase her away. She is my sister and your daughter.
She needs to be taught a lesson. Let her learn.
Not to that extent, Mama. If you chase her away, you're driving her into that boy's hands for free.
That is very, very good. I'm okay with that. Let her come and take her test.
Mama, I can't remember it. No. I don't agree with you on that at all. Mama, we know that Lotana is very stubborn. But if we continue like this, we'll end up not seeing her again.
Omaka, very fine. Let her go. Let her go wherever she wants to go. Let her listen. Omaka.
Mama, listen to me. You need to calm down. Mama, remember the saying, if you hit a child with the right hand, you draw her back with the left hand.
And who is a child? Agadi.
Mama, stop now. Stop. Okay. If you don't want to forgive her, I'm going to look for my sister. Yes, I'll go and look for her because I don't want to lose her. She's the only sister I have. Except you have a boot.
For what?
Boot now.
For what?
Race now. Because I'm going to search for my sister. If we come back to the house and you did not allow us to stay, we will run away now because you will chase us. So just get ready to chase all of us out because we will leave your husband's house for you and run away. You have enough strength
be careful
to run.
with me. Be careful with me. I'm not happy.
Mama, please, I'm going to search for my sister and I'll bring her back to this house.
Come back here. Don't bring that thing inside this house. How about 1 year back? Come and pack her things and go and give her work wherever she is. Push her. Let her go. Let her go.
Brother?
Uchechi, how are you?
I'm fine, we thank God.
Uchechi, I thought I'd ask you to come and see me after.
Brother, that is what you always tell me. So, it's always the response I get from you. So I didn't want to push it. I said, let me just leave you.
I'm sorry. I would have done better. It's just because of I don't know how to say it.
Brother, it is okay. Trust me, I perfectly understand everything. I am not angry.
You do?
I am not angry at all.
You do?
I am not angry, brother. I
understand. Where are you coming from?
I went to pick up some things from my friend in Kiru because we're traveling to the city. My husband got a job in the city, so we're moving.
Are you for real?
I am telling you.
Hey.
Kem.
Hey, my love. What has been holding you now? We have finished packing, I and my children. We're just waiting for you.
She's in Kiro. She delayed me, but don't worry, I have the bags. I have the other things inside.
Okay. Ogum, I don't know how to say this. Honestly, I would have done more and more and more. But you know my predicament.
It's okay.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's okay.
Brother, as I was telling you, my husband got a job in the city, so we're moving finally.
Yes. Are you for real?
I am.
Hi, I'm happy for both of you.
Thank you.
I'm happy. Ogum, please find a place in your heart to at least pardon me. Okay? I would have loved to do more and more and more, but you see my predicament now, you know.
There's no problem, sir. Thank you so much, sir. It is time for God to answer our prayers, and thank God it finally come to pass. Thank you so much for all the help you rendered to us. I will never forget it in a hurry.
Did I really render help?
You tried the most you can.
It's okay.
You try.
It's okay. So is that why you are looking this tantalizing? Very, very gorgeous, like a typical African woman.
It's gorgeous.
Thank you, sir. We have to be.
I'm happy.
We have to be going.
I'm happy. You can them go live
But take care of yourself.
I will. I must. Nothing will stop me.
We need to leave now. Thank you. We're in a hurry. All right.
We're in a hurry.
All right. Yeah. Such is life.
Stand here. Mama, your daughter is back.
Mama, good afternoon.
Mama, she's greeting you.
Lotanna. Lotanna.
Mama.
Lotanna, fesa n'anya. Na ihe m na-agwa gị. Kuru ezigbo mmiri saa iru gị asa. Open your eyes, wide it, so that you can see the kind of choice you are making. Oh, you will not live a life of regret. Nano?
Mama, I'm sorry.
Look at me. Mama, smile now.
Go and get her food.
I just can't get her food.
Me,
Mama,
bring
I'm
your
sorry.
own. I've heard you. No, the computer you need will tell you.
Mama, I'm not getting her any food though. Mama, I don't want to serve you. Don't have respect. But I slap you well. Mama, please, I'm going to eat.
Mama, please, I'm hungry. Mama, you know I'm your last child.
Are you not supposed to be the one that made this food for me to eat? Eh? No, you know, now, Bali. Or if you're not Chamarum. Now you want to eat food that I make. Okay?
Mama, I'm your last child. Let me eat some. I'm hungry.
I love you from my heart.
Thank you, my daughter, for coming. And I already had a meeting with my son and his uncles, and they made a suggestion, which I want to tell you of. But first, I want to ask you this important question. Are you still interested in marrying my son?
Of course, Mama. He's the love of my life.
In that case, he will be coming to your house with his uncles to formally ask for your hand in marriage. And if possible, he will do everything same day and bring you back home to us.
That would be great.
No.
I can't wait.
But Mama, you see, this time, we want it done our own way, just to avoid the last experience.
Whatever. The most important thing is for you to marry her and bring her back home to us. As our woman.
Technically married.
Yes.
So, Father, they will be coming this weekend.
That's a good one. Wonderful. Now inform them to come with the necessary things before the D-Day. I wouldn't like him to come transporting things to this place when my people are around.
It's okay, Father. Everything has been planned out. Good. Just relax and wait for them this weekend.
Good. I'm happy. But have you told your mother about this?
Father, she's your wife. I think you should tell her yourself.
Man, you can't be sounding like this. You know your mother and her minuses. You need to accord her that respect, no matter what. Tell your mother about it.
Father, I still insist that you tell her yourself. I don't want her troubles, please. I don't...
Wonderful. You came right on time.
What is it?
Your daughter's suitor would be coming with his people to woo your daughter this weekend to have her hand in marriage.
So, am I supposed to be dancing, maybe jumping or singing? All because of that rubbish, that charade? Excuse me, get away.
My point exactly. You see why I didn't want to tell her in the first place?
Indeed, I regret the day I exchanged I do with this woman. She's a misplaced priority.
Angelina! 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 Haven't I warned you and your son against coming to ask for my daughter's hand in marriage? Haven't I warned people enough? Don't people hear?
Evelyn, if my mother hasn't told me what killed your father, I would have said this madness started yesterday.
What is that supposed to mean?
Oh, have you forgotten?
Forgotten what? What?
Yes! Your father died of a mad dog's bite 3 days before you were born. Angelina. That is why you are behaving this way.
Angelina.
Ichefugo.
Did you just throw that insult at me?
When has the truth become an insult?
You're a very stupid woman.
You know what I'm talking about, Nne.
You are an idiot. How dare you insult me? Do you look at my face? How dare you? Akwagi, I will so deal with you in this life. I will show you pepper. You have bitten the tiger's tail. Wait for the bite. You decided to make me your enemy. I will treat you as such.
Evelyn, Jerry Ado, do on God. Inugo, because this marriage must hold. My son must marry your daughter. That must is capital letter.
No problem.
My God will not shame me. It's better for you to join the moving train and pray for my son so that he will become successful.
Failure train is what you want me to join. Be in your failure train. With this proposal you just brought up, let's see how it goes. Trust me. Let's see how it goes. Excuse me. You see how it's all...
Nah, he will do nothing. Both of them must marry. My son must marry your daughter. If you want peace, I give you peace. If you want war, and your war area naga. Nsobu adero. Ekwereram. Utobli si choya kan genye gia. Get you every time you and your mother.
So what's going on? I'm not interested.
Even on a cigarette.
Oh, guy said I don't want. You won't force me.
Wait, guy, what is your problem, self? Why you come to act up like this? Like say you be babe. May we come begin to beg you. What thing they worry you? Wait, not tell me say that because of that your babe make you to do like this, Ha.
Wait. So matter wey concern my babe no reach to make me vex. No, you no reach to make me vex, abi. I think say you dey follow me if you wait at the feel self. I no just know why that woman no like me. Now my babe mama be my problem. Now that woman no just like anything when I do. She no like her. I don't know how I want to take amend them. I don't just know.
So what's your problem here? Since the daughter likes you, why bother yourself over the mother?
Wait, you self. If you just close your mouth. You be like say you no fair get sense before. Why you go dey tell him may he marry who you no want marry? Person when him mama don't even tell him say make you no marry him. Now you still dey tell him say may you go marry. You say if I tell the think. Hi, wait, you be like say the other kind marriage say go work.
Okay. Okay, what you would talk now? Make we go match am.
You dey mad. No. Now I know say you don't cut chain normally. Before I been a thing say small sense still remain for you. But now as you talk now, so you want go beat my mother-in-law? No, you want beat my mother-in-law, Abi? No, go beat him. Go beat him.
Now as the thing they paying you, I say make I give you that suggestion, nothing much.
No, they give me all those kind of stupid suggestion, I beg. No, they give me am. No, they give me that kind of stupid suggestion. Because now that one go make me come to remember the last time when I tell una make una go help me handle my brother small. When I go there, I want kill him. I swear if I remember that matter now, I go cut chain follow all of una.
What you tell us?
I tell you, man, you beat and kill him.
I beg they
Which kind of beat him be that one when I do my brother now? See, man, nobody remind me waiting don't pass before. Man, nobody remind me. Oh.
It's okay. This type of family is good. Oh, yeah, this type of my in-laws.
I am happy. Buto no. Oh, okay. Ọkụ agụnyelu nwata n'aka dị elegwu. Buto no na gị mụrụ gị. Wele ya. Okay, I'm happy. Thank you. Very, very happy. Achabugo. Your case shall be case of 9 months later. Thank you. Can I go with her? Please take proper care of my daughter. She's in safe hands. This love is straight from heaven. I'm happy. I'm happy. Yes. Wonderful. Good.
Can we go now?
Please. Go, my children, okay? I'm happy. This marriage is from heaven. Wonderful. Up now. Yeah, can't be saga. Come on. Thank you so much. Yes, sir. I'm stupidly happy. Honestly.
Mama, I want to inform you that I'll be traveling to the city with my husband. Yes. Delta State, precisely. Yeah. I have a job there.
Did you say Delta State?
Yes.
That's why I'm serving as a copper.
Really?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
You can come with us.
You be coming to our house.
You can stay with us.
That is so great. Thank you, sister. God bless you. I'm so happy.
God will bless you. You are a huge blessing to our family. You will have a happy and joyous home with my son.
Amen.
Mama, I'll miss you, but I'll be calling you on the phone.
Only calling me on the phone. You will still be coming to see me.
Yes.
You deserve the best in life. Yes, you people will be coming to see. And I will visit at times.
Will you come to our house?
I'm living with you.
My son, my daughter, Your home will be filled with children that will love and obey you. You will be so proud of them.
The children will obey us.
Yes.
You must be bold with madness stepping your foot into this compound after I've warned your mother. Eh?
Mama, I love Lotanna. See, Mama, I love Lotanna so much so that I want to marry her. For you to see how much I love Lotanna. I love her, please. Eh?
You can't marry her. You are not fit to marry my daughter. No, you are not. See, you smoke. You drink. You do all manner of evil. Even follow criminals up and down. You see? You are not fit.
Mama, I'm ready to forfeit all these things. I'm ready to forfeit them just to be with Lotanna. Because, Mama, I love this girl. I love her.
By the way, who is your mother? No. Take a good look at me. Do I look like that, your wicked mother? Eh? Your mother is enough reason for me not even allow you to marry my daughter.
But Mama, Mama, I'm not my mother. I'm not my mother. She has her own blood. I have my own blood. I'm not my mother.
Nobody in this community will allow her daughter marry any of your mother's sons because she's wicked.
Oh, Mama, you will not allow somebody to marry somebody that you love and you be. Mama, I'm not. Mama, I'm not going anything. I'm not going anything. You will not allow somebody to marry who you love and you.
So of all the girls in this community, it's only my place you want to come and bring your bad blood. Your cause.
Mama, please now. I love Lotanna. I love her. Mama,
you will not sit on my seat. Go away from my cup. Somebody is here to see though. People know. What's your name? See a drug in my job. Neighbor, come on, carry the tea cup.
Hey!
What are you doing?
Why are you kidding about you? Get in there.
What are you doing in my house?
Ukogom.
What are you doing in my house?
I came to check on my August. And to tell you that if you go and check on your BP now, you will know that it is high. So don't try to give yourself stroke. Your daughter is now in the city with my son, enjoying life, cruising and enjoying. It's better for you to accept the things you cannot change. You know, go.
I know you think you have won over me.
Your daughter is now in the city with my son. They are married. Do you need a dummy like yourself to tell you that I have won? Anyway, I was just passing by and I decided to come and check on my Ogo. Is it Ogo change
Get it into your thick skull that you, another 1,000 of you, can ever win over me.
I have already won.
Get away from me. Get away.
I will get away. It's your house.
Don't touch me.
You know that I have won. Accept the things you cannot change. Hey. Mana from no can agba kiti na agba kata. You get used to it.
I knew it. Now my fear and worry have been confirmed. I told you to end his life when you had the chance to.
But, Akuna, I was afraid of spilling blood. Do you know what it means to kill? Take human life? But no, I couldn't do it.
You were afraid of spilling blood. Now your daughter is gone.
No. I will not let that happen. That will not happen. Do you know my daughter is even against me now? She's against me. My daughter couldn't tell me about her movement to the city. Okay, for no?
Well, whatever shams it is that Angelina is using on her is really working. Hey. That is why you see that she cannot get her eyes off the young man.
Akona, do you think there is something I can really do about it? Do you know that they took me unawares? My own daughter didn't even tell me the actual date of her marriage, as if she knew I was the one frustrating their plans.
Well, we just have to make one last visit to Agungu and tell him what is happening. Let's see if he still has something he can do about it.
Okay. Do we go now?
I love you from my heart,
I love you from my heart,
Bikara polamo onye kemo
ebe kwelu mala onye kagi kamgaluo iya sara ya mebe ibu kemo we are meant to be together.
What are you doing? What am I doing? The car is dirty, so I'm washing it.
Baby, it's not in your place to wash the car.
How?
The gate man is there. I can as well take it to the car wash.
No. Why should you take the car to the car wash when I can wash it comfortably? Huh? I can wash it better than that.
Baby, stop this. Stop. You are my husband. You don't need to stress yourself. It's the work of the gate man. Or I can take it to the car wash.
No,
please.
you can't take this car to the car wash when I can wash it well, better than them.
No. Please. I don't like this. I don't like this. I don't like it.
Okay, let me just rinse it.
No! I refuse. No, please.
I just want to rinse it.
No, don't worry. The gate man will finish up. Please. Please stop this.
But has Ifeoma finished washing the plate?
Yes. She's already eaten. She'll soon be leaving. I prepared us fried plantain, egg sauce. I came to call you so we can eat. And here you are, washing my car. Baby. Don't wash my car again. In fact, no chores. You're not the help. You're my husband.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you for bringing sunshine into my life.
I should be thanking you. You are the best, sweetest, most handsome, humble, and submissive husband on earth.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Okay.
I love you.
I love you too.
Okay, let's go eat.
Okay.
Well,
I can't take it.
No, you can't take anything.
The bucket.
It's not.
Alright.
For you, babe.
Our love is forever stronger. We are meant to be together. Our love is forever stronger.
Babe.
Huh?
I'm off to the market.
Market?
Yes.
Why?
I need to go buy some things for the house.
But you're not feeling too well.
Yeah, I know. At the same time, I need to buy things for the house. So...
Where's Ifeoma?
She has gone out.
Okay, in that case, I have to go to the market on your behalf. Let me buy the things myself.
Come on, baby. You're my husband. You're not supposed to go to the market. Don't worry, I can manage.
No, I insist. I am your husband, so I have to go to the market to buy those things for you. Please. Huh?
No, I can manage.
No, I insist. I want to buy in fact, give me the money. Where's the list? What do you want to buy? What do you want to make? What soup?
Okay, if you insist, let's go inside so I can make the list for you. The list
Where's the money?
I'll give you the money and the list. Let's go inside. I didn't make the list because I have what I want to buy off heart. But since you're going, I'll make the list for you.
But you're my wife. I want to make you happy.
Thank you. You're the best. Let's go.
I've been looking at this house. It's very fine.
Yes, our house is very fine. Our house is very fine.
Onyeka, as you insisted on taking that which I forbade you to take, so shall your life be filled with perpetual infamy and disrepute will leave you at the cups of death. May earth bear witness to this curse and deliver it to you.
The world of the poor.
I'm happy that you're home, my love. I was so scared.
I can't believe I embarrassed myself. What did the doctor say?
The doctor said you're epileptic.
How? I don't have that. Where did that come from?
I don't know. But the most important thing is that you are here now and you are okay. It's okay. You're fine, you're healed. It's okay. Don't think about it. Everything is okay.